what he's done is he's basically taken you behind the curtain to some of the burdens of priesthood, if you like. And one of the reasons, again, which I think we should remind us of why sometimes the priesthood is described, and I think correctly, as an heroic station in life. This is part of that heroism, part of that terrible duty, if you like, which can at times become terrible for the reasons that Father Murr described. Now, the, I think, almost entirely fraudulent business of early 20th century psychoanalysis came up with a concept called the psychology of the transference to describe this. Now, what that means is that if you enter into a relationship with someone where you are giving them good counsel and trying to help them unburden themselves of what torments their conscience, at times they will develop an attachment to you that can become extremely malicious or complicated. And this can result in the production of fantasies and, shall we say, malicious allegations whose origins are murky to begin with, but really lie within the mind of the plaintiff or the patient or the person seeking the counsel of the priest in the first place. It is not an unknown phenomenon. I think it's something with which the church was familiar before the psychoanalysts largely attempted to hijack the counsel of the church and monetize it in yet another perpetual addiction economy, because seldom do these people produce cures, by the way. I think Father Murr's exactly right about the origins of this situation, and it's a tremendous relief it's been resolved.
Hi everyone, this is John Henry Weston for LifeSite News. We hope you found this video insightful. For more content like this, be sure to check out the links in the description below. You can also follow us on social media to stay updated on the latest news concerning life, faith, family, and freedom. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you.